Hi everyone, this is Bob for Celtech Productions. In this video, we're going to take a look at LR Bag's HiFi pickup system and listen to some audio samples. Now this is my Taylor acoustic. It's a 410MA. I love this guitar, but it's not a great option if you want to play live. So I was on the hunt for a pickup system to install in this guitar. Now, I talked to several guitar players that perform live and a couple of different luthiers, and then I did some research online on my own. Now, weighing all of my options and all of the input I received, I decided on the LR Bag's HiFi. This is a bridge plate pickup system, so both pickups are installed under the bridge. Also, I wanted something I could install myself and potentially save the $100 or $200 for the labor. Now, LR Bags recommends that you engage a professional for this, but I felt like I could do it myself. Now, after doing this project, I feel like most people could install these given the great instructions and the tools provided, especially if you're handy and you can carefully follow instructions. Now, this is not an installation video, but I wanted to show you some of the parts and pieces. Now, if you decide that this is the right unit for you, I did put a link to Amazon in the description, so if you want to help support this channel, I would appreciate it. Now, I stuck my iPhone in the sound hole to see what the underside of the bridge looked like. It was important to have the room for the pickups and also a clean surface to mount them to. The placement accuracy of the pickups was assured with this supplied jig. Now, after you attach them to the proper spot on the jig, then you're ready to attach them to the back of the bridge. Now, here's the jig after pulling the guides up through the end holes. Now, this is the jig inside of the guitar, and then a shot with the jig removed and the pickups installed. And lastly, the volume and tone controls installed. Now here I'm showing the strap jack preamp. I did make another adjustment later so that the threaded piece is flush with the strap ring. Now for the sound demo, I kept the volume of the preamp all the way up, and then I adjusted the record level with my audio interface. The tone knob has a center detent, so I left it there. I attempted to level match the recordings, and I only used EQ in my DAW to roll off 50 Hz and below with a gentle slope. Otherwise, acoustic guitars have a tendency to get muddy. The two examples are strumming and arpeggio chords using a medium pick. Let's take a listen. Now, I never liked the sound of an acoustic guitar played through pickups until now. Normally, the electronics make the guitar harsh sounding to me. This is the only one that I've used that actually sounds like an acoustic guitar. Now, I could have brightened the tone of the pickups in this recording with the tone knob, but I wanted to hear the tone set at the neutral position. Now, as good as this sounds, I'll still record acoustics mostly with a good quality condenser mic. but I may find some uses for this in the studio with doubling and tone shaping for a bigger acoustic sound. Now, I did try this through my Fender Deluxe Reverb amp, and it sounded really great. So I'm excited about playing this live now. Hope this helps, guys. See you in the next video.